is zif.org Vorbis Audio File Interface reporting the Vorbis File Audio Library DLL is missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before we walk through the Vorbis File Audio Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Vorbis File Audio Library, a specialized library for high-level Ogg Vorbis audio file manipulation. It provides applications with the ability to stream, seek, and decode Vorbis-compressed audio easily. This is a classic gaming DLL. If missing, games will launch with no music or crash with an audio stream initialization failure error message. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Missing Vorbis File Audio Library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the zif.org Vorbis Audio File Interface integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Vorbis File Audio Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Warning: Vorbis File Audio Library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Vorbis File Audio Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Vorbis File Audio Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.